Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great. Well, in today's video I'll be making some custard for you guys, or you can call it custard block. You remember like when you used to go to school when you had people outside in the cooler selling like icicle and custard? Well, that's the custard I'm going to make today, and I'm going to put it in these small bags like this, and also I'm going to put some in the ice tray, so you're going to see how I make my custard, and it's going to take you back memory lane like when you used to go to school. And you could do it home as well for yourself and your family and your kids. So let me just show you my ingredients. Okay, and before I show you my ingredients, I just want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. And I would really appreciate if you guys could watch like the whole entire video. That would be great. Thank you so much. Now here's my ingredients. Okay guys, so here's my ingredients for my custard block. We're gonna use some milk powder, some essence, 3 tins of evaporated milk, some sugar. We have some spice, nutmeg, and some clove. We have the custard powder here, and we also have the bags where we're going to be putting it in. I'll show you that later. So we're going to put our milk to boil now. Okay, we're going to mix the milk powder first. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3 spoons of milk powder inside and mix it up here. And we're gonna throw it in our pot here. Then we're gonna put our spice and the 6 cloves in here and let it boil. Okay guys, so I just put the 3 tins of carnation milk inside as well. So I'm gonna let that boil, and I just throw like 1/4 cup of water in this cup here. So what I'm gonna do now is put in the custard powder. I'm gonna put 1.5 spoons custard powder. Okay, I put 1.5 spoons custard powder, so I'm gonna just mix it up real good. Make sure no lumps in it, and then I'm gonna throw it in here, and then I'm going to stir it. I'm also gonna put my grated nutmeg and my 3 spoons of sugar. I'm going to stir it, mix everything together here. Okay, it wants some more sugar, so I'm just going to put 2 more spoons of sugar and stir it. You have to keep stirring it constantly, because if you don't, it might end up getting some lumps or so. So just keep stirring it. And now I'm gonna put my essence. I just threw my essence inside, like 1/4 teaspoon essence. So I'm gonna stir it up now. You just have to keep stirring it. Okay, so it has been on low heat boiling for about 10 minutes. We're gonna give it like 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna strain it. Okay, it's finished now, so I'm gonna strain it now. I can video while I'm straining. Okay, so I'm showing you guys how I'm straining it here. Okay, I just finished straining it, so we're gonna have to leave it here for about an hour and a half until it cool. When it cool, then is when I'm gonna show you the next step. We'll be back. Okay guys, so it's cool now, so I'm going to put them over into this ice tray to make the custard block. So I'm gonna put them over like this and fill up them. Okay, I'm gonna fill the other one now. Okay guys, so I fill up the ice pan to make the ice block, and I also had these icicle bags, so I put the custard inside this. You guys remember when you used to go to school, you used to buy icicle and custard? Well, this is the same custard, so I'm going to take you guys back down memory lane. And you guys can make this at home as well. It's very easy. Just that you have to get a funnel to pour it in. It gave me a hard time. Anyway, now it's about after 11 at night. I'm going to put these in the freezer. And when I get up in the morning, I'll show you guys the end results. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the custard block. This is in the ice pan here, and this is in the icicle bags like this here. Let me just taste it, let you guys see. So this is the one in the ice pan. The other pan I put it in here, and then this is the one in the bags. Okay guys, so this is the custard here in what I had in the ice pan here. This is the custard here, and this is the one in the bag, like when you used to go to school and you used to eat this a lot. This is the one in the bag. So you guys can make this at home. Let me just taste it. Tastes so good, milky and nice. I love it. Takes me back when I used to go to school. Oh my god, this is so good. I use a lot of milk because I was gonna mix some in this bag here and some in the ice tray, but you guys could use less milk if you want. You don't have to make so much like how I make. Tastes so good. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay blessed.